Broke down right before the track day. Track day in 12 hours. But we got the belt on. Shot out my alternator belt, so we're good to go. Plus, it's in a bad part of town, but we're good to go. My dad came out like a Prius with a bunch of tools. Helped out. Alright, we on the road. Zip tie engineering for the wind. I'm not sure how well you guys can hear me. It's loud as all hell in here. But, yeah. Big thanks for my dad coming out. It's about 10:30. We got daylight savings tomorrow. And I gotta wake up early for the track. But, you know, we on the way home now. We making it. Alright. As you can tell, early in the morning. I like low-key just woke up 20 minutes ago. But it's like still dark out type early. Late night last night as you guys saw. But we're still here. Let's get it. I'm gonna go meet up with a friend. We're gonna cruise out to the track together. So yeah, let's get it. I'm sorry to my neighbors that are watching. Alright, now let's go. Alright, met up with the homie. We going? We going. Let's get it. Alright, we out here. We're gonna get some test laps in. Couldn't figure the GoPro thing out, so we're just gonna send it without. You'll get some rider footage. Maybe I'll figure out the GoPros later, but yeah, let's get it. going good so far. She keeps chugging along, but yeah, comp's about to start. doing good. Ran some trains with the homies. One that bullied me off, specifically John. But we running it. It was the last turn. I'm like, oh shoot, he's gonna hit me. And I ended up going off. And it like whacked me side, but everything looks good. So we're good to go. Alright, it's 4:30. Still running. Yeah. Got 30 more minutes of laps. Go do some tandies with John. We're good to go. We got in a little bit of an accident with John. John had it worse though.
Yeah, I agree.
But I'll put the footage in right here of the crash. We got her back together, both of them. We able to go on the road.
Sorry,
Blame it on him. But we're good to go. He took it way worse than me. Look in there.
They uncrashed it though?
Yeah, it's uncrashed. It's brand new.
I didn't do shit. I don't know how to do any of this one.
My alignment's a little bit off, but we'll be good. We'll be good.
I might owe you a little bit.
Alright, end of the day. As you can tell, honestly, I'm not too frustrated with how the day went. It is a little unfortunate that me and the homie both low-key messed up the cars, but I'll see what I can do about the clip. I think I didn't have GoPro or anything on at the time, but I think I got some vertical footage from a ride along. So I'll see what I can do, but is what it is. At least we're back on the road. We did a little alignment for him, and a little bit for me too. You can see how that went, but you know, it's better than pulling left to right. But yeah, if you like this video, please like the video and subscribe. For more stuff like this, you'll see me progress. I got coilovers I gotta put on, but first I think I got some tie rods to replace. I don't know. I got a lot upcoming for this car, and I mean a lot. So thank you guys for watching the video, and peace out. I'll see you guys next time.